guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you 10 tips on how to put yourself together, how to be bougie on a budget, how to be looking expensive but you didn't spend your money on expensive stuff. You feel me? So with no further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Tip 1 is to do your grooming at home. Now, grooming at home consists of doing your hair. I will link some hairstyles down below. You can braid your hair by yourself. This is a recent hairstyle that I did on myself. Easy hairstyle for the summer. I will link this video down below. Shaving your eyebrows at home, waxing yourself. But when it comes to waxing, I do recommend from time to time going and getting it professionally done, and ensure that you exfoliate with a scrub of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys a DIY on how to make a scrub at home. So for me, I use 1 cup of sugar. I use any body wash of my choice. So you can use your Dove, Suave, whatever it is that you have currently at home. And also you would use oil of your choice. So for me, I use coconut oil and olive oil, and I added 3 tablespoons of that. It's based on your preference, and then you would mix it. Also going to be putting the ingredients down below so you can make your scrub at home. Now all of this will help to keep your skin moisturized and make your skin feel smooth, and it also reduces ingrown hair after shaving. And we do not want ingrown hairs over here, not in the summertime, boo-boo. Hey. Tip 2 is to have a good scent. Now, in order to look good, you gotta feel good and you gotta smell good. So for me, I would recommend you having a good body wash, a good scented body wash, also based on your skin type. So for me, I'm using the Dove. Because I have sensitive skin, I'm using the Dove Indulgent Ritual with oat milk and maple syrup. And I'm telling you guys, this is perfect for sensitive skin. It makes my skin feels amazing and feels soft, and the scent is not overpowering where after I'm finished taking a shower I'm going to literally start sneezing, if you know what I'm saying. You want to ensure that you have a good perfume. Try to find a signature scent. So for me, having a good perfume like the Elizabeth Arden Red Door. I'm telling you, this perfume is bomb. It gives you that bougie, that elegant, classy, that, oh, okay, I see you, mom, I see you type vibe, okay? And also, if your skin type allows it, have a scented lotion. If you have sensitive skin like me, you can use a non-scented lotion, but it's still moisturizing where your skin is moisturized. Okay guys, so my 3rd tip is to get your toes done and your nails done at home. Now I do recommend getting your toes done at least once a month, but in between those weeks you can do your toes at home. You can soak your foot with hot water and baking soda. You can repolish your toenails. If your nail polish get chipped, it does not look cute, sis. Like, you gotta rub it off, do it over. If you want to change your toenail color, you repolish your toenails. Also, when it comes to nails, you can invest in press-on nails. You can get press-on nails for a good price from Amazon, Shein, your local beauty supply store. You find press-on nails that suits your vibe, your preference, whatever it is that you're going for, and you'll be looking cute. And depends on the type of glue that you use with press-on nails, it can even last up to the same amount of time that you would keep acrylic nails on. So looking cute, looking nice on a budget. Okay guys, so tip 4 is to take care of your hair. You have to invest in your hair. So take the time out and oil your scalp, detangle your hair, moisturize your ends. Don't forget your ends. We take the time out to moisturize our scalp and forget the length of our hair. Also, you can do protective hairstyles at home. So I will link some videos down below. I actually did this hairstyle at home. It's an easy summer cornrow hairstyle. You can also love your curls, wear your curls, do curly hairstyles. I will link a video down below as well. wear a silk scarf to protect your hair. And once your hair is looking cute, you're gonna feel cute. Like, your hair adds to the entire look. Tip 5 is to examine your clothes and ensure that they are put together. You want to ensure that you iron your clothes. You want to ensure that there is no holes in your shirt. You want to ensure that there's no those little bump things that come up on your clothes. You want to ensure that they are clean, and I mean they are clean. You want to ensure that they smell good. Smell good. Okay, so my next tip is makeup. If you're a beginner and you're just starting out with makeup, you're just getting into makeup, there are only a few things that you would need as a beginner, which is foundation, and everyday lip wear could be a lip gloss, a lipstick, and mascara. When you start to get more into makeup, then you can start adding more stuff, and like contour, blush, eyeshadow palettes, start wearing lashes and all of that. Okay, tip 7 is accessories. Okay, so wearing a nice earring. For me, I like wearing studs. Wearing a nice chain, a nice necklace. It really complements your look, but one thing, you do not want to over accessorize. You do not want to do that. Some outfits, you don't need nothing around your neck. You just need a nice drop down earring. Another outfit, you might just need a little chain, little stud earring, and that's it. You don't want enough of a 5, 6, 10 chain, and have, you know, like, simplicity is best. Also, guys, ensure that you have a belt. If you're wearing jeans, if you're wearing pants that you know is going to ride down, have on a nice belt that can hold your jeans up. You do not want to sit down and everybody's seeing what underwear you're wearing. Like, that's not cute. That does not look cute. So having a nice belt, it can also complement the look. If you're wearing a skirt and you're wearing a top, you want to put on a nice belt to really just complement everything and put it all together. That'll also look amazing. Okay, tip 8 is to wear colors that blend with your skin tone. So for me, I like wearing yellow, I like wearing red, blue, white, black, gray. Colors that brings out your features, brings out your face, and all of that. You can also mix match colors, wearing purple and yellow, wearing red and blue. Okay, tip 9, oral hygiene. So you want to take the time, floss your teeth, have a good mouthwash, because if everything on the outside is put together, I mean, your hair looks good, your outfit is on point, but hair is dead, like hair is not good, then it just throws off the entire look. So you want to take the time out and get into your oral hygiene. A tip to getting pearly white teeth is to mix baking soda and Colgate together and brushing your teeth at least once a week, and this will help to give you white teeth. So I gave you all a hack. Okay guys, so tip 10, which is my final tip, is skincare and facial. So you want to take the time out and take care of your skin. So I recommend having facial cleanser, having a moisturizer, and having a scrub. So currently this is a scrub that I am using. This is a St. Ives Fresh Skin Scrub. I use this on my skin once a week. I also use the turmeric and ginger soap to really get my skin clean. And I use dermatologist tested moisturizer that is non-scented to really moisturize my skin. I will link my skincare video down below. You can also check that out and get your skin looking flawless. So guys, if you follow all these 10 tips, you'll be looking bougie on a budget. You'll be looking cute. You look expensive. Like, yes. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out my recent video down below where I did a summer inspired cornrow. And thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.